girl. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Diwali is just around the corner. There are so many lights around. The whole vibe is so festive. It's awesome. It's probably my favorite festival ever. And it's the time for awesome supreme Indian fits. So, yay. Okay, so this video is going to be about the classic Indian festive makeup look that goes with any outfit and suits everyone, literally everyone. And it's super easy. It's going to be 5 minutes and it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. So let's go. I'm going to be very quick because it's super easy and you're going to love it, trust me. So I'm going to start with a concealer. It's by Lakme. It's a liquid concealer and it's the best. Whenever you choose a concealer, just choose the one that suits your tone the best. And let's go. I could be your love, baby, let me see your... So you might want to rub it upwards so that it kind of blends well. I could be your love, baby, let me see your heart. You could be my love, baby, come to my heart, come to me, I want you, come to me. I could be your love, baby, let me see your heart. And I have, I think, successfully blended the concealer and we're good to go. Now we're going to go for the most important element in the history of Indian makeup, which is kajal. And kajal makes everything look so much better, like it is unreal. So let's apply kajal now. I could be your love, baby, let me see your heart, you could. And we are done with the kajal. Gosh, I love it. I love kajal. It just makes everything look so much better. Now we are going to go with the eyeliner, and this one is from Swiss Beauty. I don't know if you can see it, but yes, let's go. We're going to do the classic winged eyeliner with this, and yes, let's go. Okay, I'm sure you've heard this a lot of times, but this works. Okay, use a tape. It works like a charm. Okay, we are done with the eyeliner. I'm gonna take the tape off now. And perfect. I want you to go under, not with the eyeliner, do it with the kajal. Let me see your heart, you could be my love, baby, come to my heart, come to me, I want you, come to me, oh baby, come to me, I want you, come to me. I could be your love, baby, let me see your heart, you could be my love, baby, come to my heart, come to me, I want you, come to me, oh baby, come to me, I want you, come to me. Too late. And we are ready. So all you have to do is, if you have a color that you're wearing, I am wearing silver particularly with purple, so I added a little silver touch to it and we're ready. Let's go.